Ayan, so napaka-importanting malaman nito. So let me welcome po para ma-discuss na ni Coach Elizabeth Cadaw from Baguio. Good morning, Coach. Okay, Coach, pa-unmute po. Naka-mute ka pa, Coach. Ayan, okay.
Good morning. I am Elizabeth Cadaw from Baguio City, and I've been using the product since 2004. And that's the time when I'm recovering from dengue. Eating the products for almost a month, I feel great. Nakakatulog na ako ng mahimbing. I feel energized and unti-unting nagda-dry yung mga pimples ko. So continuing eating the products, na-build ko yung self-esteem ko kasi feeling ko maganda na ako. Okay? And as a bonus, I gained 8 kilos. So for me to continue eating the products at a lesser price, I avail the highest discount, which is the 50% discount. And my favorite products is yung aloe, tea, shake, vitamins and minerals. Yun yung pang anti-stress ko. Herbalife Line, Nightworks, NRG, Cell Complex, and yung Ocular Defense. So I used to be an elementary school teacher. I love teaching. Kaya lang, stressful. And kung minsan, even yung community. Okay? And one more thing is, I don't own my time. So yun yung pinakayaw ko. Kaya last 2019, I resigned, then do Herbalife full-time. At least now, I can do whatever I want and I can travel local and international training. That's why I love Herbalife. So thank you. Okay, so our topic for today is about yung superfood, what they are and where to get them. So our source is our nutritionist, Susan Bowerman. She is the director of Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training at Herbalife. Okay, so next po. Ano ba nga ang superfood? So according to our source, si Dr. Susan Bowerman, ang superfood ay hindi lamang ang mga usong naririnig natin ngayon dahil paiba-iba ang lumalabas. So parang fashion ba? Okay? So ang mga superfood noong nakaraang taon tulad ng kale at quinoa ay unti-unting itinatabi ng mga usong yung mga maki berries o kaya yung fonio grain. So, ang tanong, ano ba ang gumagawa ng isang pagkain na isang superfood? So, okay. Ang superfood ba ay nagpapahiwatig na ang pagkain ito ay merong nutritional powers na higit pa sa mga ordinaryong pagkain? So according to Susan Bowerman, there's no definition for a superfood. It's simply a word that is used to tout the health-promoting properties of foods that are nutrients-packed. Okay, so for the most part, the most nutrient-dense food you can eat is yung mga plant food. Okay, so these offer up an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, as well as yung phytonutrients. So many of which act as an antioxidant. Kaya if you eat a plant-rich diet, you're probably eating already yung mga superfood na tinatawag. Okay? If you are eating plant foods, you are eating yung mga superfood na. So even if they're not as exotic as yung mangosteen fruit or yung cacao nibs. So in short, yung superfoods are all the foods that are healthy, that has a positive impact on an individual's health. Okay? So foods that can increase yung vitality and overall health by boosting the human immune system. Okay? So yan po. Next. Okay? So saan ba natin makukuha ang mga katangian ng mga superfoods na yan? Okay, so makikita nyo yan sa pictures. We can get them from plant foods. Okay, like for example, yung mga dark leafy greens. Okay, for example is yung kale, yung collard greens, yung turnip greens, mustard greens, Swiss chard, and yung mga plain old spinach. You can get them also sa berries, okay? Blueberries, cranberries, strawberries, and blackberries, or raspberries, sa mga nuts, yung walnuts and almonds, yung mga orange veggies, gaya ng mga carrots, pumpkin or winter squash. And then even yung sweet potato, yung mga beans like kidney beans, black beans, and soybeans. Okay? And then meron din sa fish, hindi lang sa mga plant foods, meron din sa fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, trout, herring, and sardines. Okay po? Next. So, paano kaya nakakatulong ang isang superfood sa katawan para sa ganon manatili o maging malusog ang ating katawan? So, gaya ng sinabi ni Dr. Susan Bowerman, so yung mga carotenoids, which is yung orange phytochemicals found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and orange squash, can limit cancer growth. And it helps your eyesight and also it supports your skin. Okay? And then yung mga antioxidants, which is found in blueberries, cranberries, or broccoli, and black plums, can protect your body from harmful free radicals. And even yung mga vitamin C, vitamin E are antioxidants din. And yung mga flavonoids, which is found in grapefruit, blackberries, chickpeas, and elderberry juice, can reduce inflammation and slow cancer growth. Okay? So, meron din yung salmon, hindi ko nalagay dyan sa slides. Salmon has been on superfood list for years because of the cold water fish is rich source of essential omega-3 fatty acid, yung APA and DHA. Okay? And it is a source of protein, potassium, selenium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and other nutrients. And salmon is also a nutritional powerhouse that supports yung brain natin, yung bone, joint, and yung heart health. Okay? And sabi ni Susan Bowerman, to get the most benefit of an affordable price, Susan Bowerman suggests yung sa canned food, yung canned salmon, which is a wild caught. Kasi nga kung minsan yung mga fresh, high yung price. Okay? Kaya sinuggest niya yung canned salmon. So, meron ba siyang nabanggit sa ibang articles niya, yung mga tea? Okay? Next po. Okay, so ngayon, sa ating mga Herbalifer, meron din tayong ginagamit o kaya kinakain na yung mga nutrients na nabanggit dyan sa taas ay makukuha natin din sa ating mga produkto, gaya ng yan, yung healthy breakfast. Okay, so narinig ninyo kanina yung mga benefits ng pagkain ng healthy breakfast. Okay, so shake is rich in protein, and this is the first nutrients made of amino acids, building blocks for our body that builds and repair tissues. And then it can support immune function, and it produces enzymes and energy and stamina. And then yung aloe, it is an antioxidant, and it relieves constipation. Kaya it's good for internal intestinal health. Okay? And then yung tea, it is also an antioxidant which supports mental alertness. Okay, yung green tea and black tea. Okay, meron din tayong, next po. Yan, yung vitamins mineral, which contain vitamin A, yung beta-carotene, which supports eye health, and then vitamin C, E, and zinc, which is antioxidant. Okay? And then meron dyan tayong extra cal, which contains calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D. So it is important for bone forming. Okay? And then it helps neurotransmitter from amino acid. Yan yung vitamins, minerals, which helps neurotransmitted from amino acid. Next po. And then we have also yung cell complex. So it is a blend nutrients and plants to help optimize you use for essential nutrients. It is also for anti-aging. And lahat ng mga produkto na yan is meron yung phytonutrients. Okay? And then we have here the vitamin mineral herbal complex, which is consists of corn silk, dandelion, parsley, and yung asparagus that is designed to support healthy fluid balance and appearance of healthy skin. Okay, and then yung isa is yung nasa gitna is yung triple berry. It is composed of yung tatlong berries, cranberries, blueberries, and then yung bilberry. Okay, so this is a good source of phytonutrients also, and it is an antioxidant that promote healthy urinary tract. Okay, next po. Next. And then we have here yung NRG, yung Nature's Raw Guarana. Okay, it contains caffeine from guarana, which reduces fatigue and increase focus, or yan yung memory enhancer natin. And then we have here yung ocular defense, which it contains lutein, which is vitamin C and vitamin E and beta-carotene also, as well as zinc, copper, and selenium to support yung eye health during aging. It is also contains modest amounts of bellberry and grapes. And then yung tea na sinasabi natin, it's the green tea extract. Okay, it can energize also. It is used for energy. And meron din yung content dyan na hibiscus. Okay, next po. And then we have here yung fiber and herb and fiber band. So they are rich in fiber, so it's good for a healthy digestive system. So, di ba? Makikita nyo dyan, lahat ng mga nutrients na nabanggit sa una is andyan po sa ating produkto. Kaya we consider it also as a superfood. Next po. Next. Yan, yung 'di ba nasabi kanina, nabanggit kanina yung salmon. So in our product we have here also the Herbalife line. It is a blend of marine lipids containing omega-3 fatty acids. Okay? And yung APA and DHA. This supports brain function and also it's good for our heart. Okay? Next po. Wala na? Nawala na. Okay, so that's all. And yan, we considered it also, I myself can consider it also as a superfood kasi those are a good source of mga vitamins and minerals na kailangan ng ating katawan. So I hope you learn something. Thank you, thank you.
Ayan. Thank you so much po, Coach Elizabeth Cadaw. So, di ba, ang mamahal ng mga superfoods na na-mention kanina ni Coach. So, bakit tapos ang hirap pang hanapin, yung mga fresh, di ba? Para